basically was stopping lots of things in my life that I like to do. Simple things like riding a bike, walking far distances.
Mr. Chris is a previous patient of mine who had successfully had total hip implantation 2 years ago. He was complaining about knee issues.
Simple things that you take for granted, I couldn't take for granted.
In the arthroscopy, it was found that he had worn off most of his cartilage on one part of the knee. But unfortunately, because of the persistent pain, we decided to go on with a total knee implantation.
For me, it was a no-brainer to come back to see the same consultant because I had confidence in him because of what he'd done to my hip. And once he said the solution really was a complete knee replacement, I trusted him to go ahead with it.
This went smoothly. There weren't any intraoperative complications. With intensive physiotherapy, he was able to walk this up and down the stairs by himself without any help.
I'm pretty confident that it'll be a success. I'm optimistic.
Pain isn't a reason for immobility anymore. We have a wide range of treatments that can solve these issues.